Hi, my name is Alan Diwan. I'm the owner and chef of Kashmir Indian Restaurant Budapest in Aranya Shutsa, and we are here on the behalf of Expat Village. The dish that we're going to prepare now, it's a biryani. Be ready to add the spices, but just before you add the spices, we're going to keep our next ingredient ready, which is the onion. So we're going to chop the onion finely, so that we don't want our spices to heat up or to get blackened. So we have to be ready with the next ingredient, which is, as I said, the onions. Chop it finely. It doesn't really matter because it's gonna cook quite evenly with the chicken. And we use about one whole onion, slightly more. As I said, we have to make sure the oil is also quite hot, and I have a feeling that our oil is hot now. It's ready.